Okay, on we go again. This time, Granada boot lock or trunk lock, depending on which side of the pond you live. Okay. So I don't know which way the tension's going to go. So let's just do the quick test. In with the pick. Pressure that way. Hasn't gone. No click. So it's not that way. So we're in. Okay, so slight bit of pressure, or torque, or if you like to call it. And in we go. And there it is. And I'm guessing it carries on counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. Let's have a look. Do a little test again. That was the tension wrench. Yeah. Okay, so it carries on round this boot. So. Very stiff. See what happens if we go back clockwise from here. No, nothing. So it carries on round. So turn that back round. Set that in. Okay, that was pretty basic. So yeah, I mean, I'd recommend the Clom Navigator pick set to anyone. Lovely tension wrench, the brokerage dyno, great tension wrench, auto tension wrench. Yeah, really good. It's the D215, which is the dyno. I think dyno professional auto tension wrench. Great bit of kit. Just a little show. This is something I made. A little plug spinner. Works like a treat. Pops out a bit, but when it's in the lock, no problem at all. I made it out of one of those long, like a long spring with a grabber hook on the end. You know, for grabbing things that you can't get to. So I'll show you that. Little plug spinner. Works fine, really. You know. There you go. Thanks a lot.